Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in this video I'm showing you how to create a video-to-video by using Gemini. So in order to begin, first open up Gemini and then just tap on Tools right here and then choose Create a Video if your plan supports it. In our case guys, it's actually pretty simple. You just can create a video right here. You don't need to click on anything. So just give the prompt. I'm just going to give you an example prompt. But of course, don't forget that the first step is, of course, to upload your video first. So you go upload files and upload the video file from your PC. So in my case, I'll just go and download some kind of free video from a free website. Right, say Pixabay. Pexels is fine. Let's go here. And I'll grab this video, for example. Okay, it's free. All right, it's free. I downloaded that. And now I'm going to upload it. Okay, it's now uploading. And now by using our video as a base, we can now turn it into something else, apply filters to it, maybe add something new. So just let your imagination go. And now let's use a prompt. So for example, the prompt is as follows. Just let's choose the thinking model. It's a bit better. And now just wait for the video to be generated. Right guys, and also don't forget that you can navigate away because the video will be generating anyway, unless of course you click on stop response. Do not click that. And after that I will just show you. So for example, I will go and see where I created a video. So in order to download your video, you just open it up and press on this download button. Okay, so instead of a photo, you'll have a video. So just wait for it to be created and then you're good to go. If you wish to then apply any modifications to the video, just, of course, ask Gemini once again which changes you wish to apply, and it will do it for you. That's it for this video, guys. Enjoy. See you soon.